How to edit business name on Google Business. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to edit your business name on Google Business. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, if you're on your PC, MacBook or laptop, you need to open a web browser like Safari or Chrome. Once it opens, make sure that you sign into the particular account where you have logged in or signed into your Google business. Once you do that, click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in My Business. From this result page only you will get the list of your Google business profile. So firstly, you may make sure that you already have created the Google business profile, then it will be appeared on this section. So let's click view profile for this business profile. Then our dashboard or business profile appears where you can easily click edit profile button at top left corner of the screen. A menu box appears with a list of all the business information of our Google business profile. So at about only you will get the option to edit your business name. So currently we have our business name set as Guitar Tech. So you can click on this I like button or pencil button to edit your business name. Here you can easily delete this one and create other one and click the save button to edit business name on Google Business. Make sure you follow all the guidelines related to your Google Business names in order to edit business name on Google Business so that you don't violate any kinds of business related rules and regulations. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.